The Galaxy S22 is still pretty fresh as far as the best Samsung phones go, so it shouldn't surprise you that we don't know much about the successor Samsung's likely to release next year. When it does arrive, the Galaxy S23 will have some big shoes to fill, but we're confident that Samsung will pull it off. Among this year's releases, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus felt a lot more iterative than innovative. The Galaxy S22 Ultra had no such problem, single-handedly bringing the Galaxy Note back to life. But we continue. Please let us know from which country you guys are watching our today's video from. We love reading your comments. So, rumors about the Galaxy S23 are pretty sparse right now, but we wanted to collect some of what we'd like to see in Samsung's next flagship, especially the regular and Plus models. So here's what we heard about the Galaxy S23 so far. Release date. The Galaxy S22 launched in February, so we'd expect a similar timeline for the Galaxy S23. The Galaxy S21 series came out in January 2021, but Samsung had to make room for the Galaxy S21 FE, so it likely pushed back the S22's debut. For the Galaxy S23, that probably means an earlier 2023 appearance. Phone release windows are pretty predictable nowadays, and we don't expect Samsung to deviate from this, though the coronavirus pandemic and chip shortages have created some delayed phone launches in recent memory. Camera! A post from famed Samsung leaker Ice Universe on Twitter claims that the Samsung S23 Ultra will have a whopping 200 MP main camera, a holdover rumor from the early days of S22 speculation. This camera will supposedly be optimized for several years. We're not sure if that means Samsung plans to continually improve the camera over the years with software updates, or if the Korean phone maker will improve the 200 MP sensor following the S23 Ultra's launch. Processor. So far, we've only heard conflicting rumors about the Galaxy S23's chipset. A couple of weeks ago, a tipster claimed that Samsung would use a MediaTek chip in some Galaxy S23 units. This sparked alarm in some people, even though we've heard that the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 is a surprisingly good chip. We have our doubts given MediaTek's shaky history. But after that rumor hit the news, another tipster debunked it. Yogesh Bar has a decent track record, and he said there would be no MediaTek partnership for the Galaxy S23 or Galaxy S22 FE in the future. Obviously, that's not 100% confirmed, but Samsung might still be interested in improving its Exynos brand. We'd welcome this, considering that the Exynos 2200 failed to meet our expectations, lagging behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in our Galaxy S22 Plus benchmark tests. There's a long time for Samsung to finalize some Galaxy S23 details, so here's what we're hoping to see. Better battery life. The battery life on all three Galaxy S22 models were disappointing as per our experience. Even the Galaxy S22 Ultra with its 5000 mAh power pack couldn't last as long as phones like the OnePlus 10 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max. Samsung needs to up its game with battery life. Shrinking the power packs from the Galaxy S21 to the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus was not a wise decision and obviously hurt both phones in testing. Snapdragon or Exynos. Look, we're all for breaking Qualcomm's near monopoly on Android phones in some parts of the world. The strongest performers out of all the best Android phones use Snapdragon chips, while Apple Silicon is still miles ahead in some ways. Samsung's Exynos processors are inferior to Qualcomm and many others. We all had high hopes for the flagship Exynos 2200 and its AMD-powered graphics, but the chip ultimately proved lackluster at best. Samsung either needs to figure out why Exynos chips lag behind Snapdragons, or it needs to give up and use Snapdragons everywhere. Continuous zoom! One problem with telephoto lenses on smartphones is that you either use the full optical zoom or get stuck with digital that fills in the gaps. Rumors surrounding the Galaxy S22 Ultra suggested that Samsung was going to introduce continuous zoom, where the phone could go from 1x to 10x and all of the spots between smoothly. We want to see Samsung introduce this on all three Galaxy S23 models, though we have a feeling that the feature might be an Ultra exclusive if it ever materializes. So guys, this is the end of our today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you really did, then smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.